Hi guys! I hope you are excited to draw this very easy and super cute unicorn rainbow cake. I definitely am, so let's do it! We will start the drawing with one straight horizontal line. For the base of the cake. And our cake will have two tiers. Both of them will be rectangular shape with rounded corners. One of them will be wider. And another one will be taller. On the top of the second layer we are going to draw a bow. Just a simple bow shape. With small details inside. And on the top of this bow we are going to draw the unicorn horn, just an upside down U. Let's draw 3 lines inside that unicorn horn. And we can draw the ears now. The ears are similar to the horn shape, just a bit smaller. And we will draw the same shape inside. Okay, now we are going to draw beautiful wavy hair. Start with the left upper corner. We are going to draw a wavy line up to approximately here. Let's draw the second wave. It will start from approximately here and end at the same spot as the first line. We should go on and draw 2 more similar lines. And all of them will go to the same spot. We can add little sprinkles on the hair, so it will be more colorful. And having all those details ready, we can draw the face. 2 ovals for the eyes. As always, we are going to add highlights. And fill the eyes in. I think eyelashes would look cute here. And let's add the smile. Now let's add some cream decorations between 2 layers. I will just draw several semicircles following the base of the second tier, and I will add a curve inside of each bump. On the sides I will add 2 more curved lines and 1 line inside. Alright, the unicorn part is done. Now we can go on drawing the part with the rainbow. I will start with the cloud. Just big fluffy cloud here in the corner. And from here I would add 4 curved lines for the rainbow. And similar to the hair, I will throw some sparkles in. Well done, you guys! We completed the first step. This is our line work. The next step is to color this cutie. And the final thing to do is to think, what would you like to change in this drawing to make it your own artwork? I will speed up the coloring process, so I meet you guys again after I'm done. I enjoyed the coloring and I love the result. I hope you do too. Now it's time to get to the most creative part. I will give you just a couple of examples how you can change this drawing to make your own artwork, but of course there are endless possibilities here. For example, if you love flowers, you could change a bow to be a bunch of roses, or you could completely change the design of the rainbow tear. It is always more fun to draw together, so hope to see you in my next videos. Bye bye!